Hi guys, welcome to AQ Snooker, and today we are going to talk about the correct aiming and going into the shot correctly and hitting in the center. So you cannot skip today's class because it's very important. Without this you will always be struggling with hitting in the center or with the unintentional side, either right or left. So make sure what I'm going to show you or what practice I'm going to give you is going to be very difficult, and your aiming technique. First of all, we'll move on to the ball line, and you can see because ball line has already a marked straight line which we can rely on. What you can do is you can place your cue and make sure that you are going in the shot, and see if you are going in the shot correctly. And once you are down the shot and stand up, leave the cue on the table and see if your tip is in the center of this line of aim or not. Maybe not everybody will have this in the center. Sometimes some player will be across on either side. So whoever is having this problem should correct it and try to go in the shot in the center of this ball line. And once you are done with it, now it's time. Try to do it as many times as possible. Do it like 100 times, 500 times, doesn't matter. Unless you are correct, don't jump onto the next one. So next is that place a white ball. I'm going to use a training ball and see if you are going to hit it in the center or not. And if you are hitting in the center, you must have seen this practice before, but there is more to it. Today I'm going to give you a very tough test as well in the end. Keep watching it. So now what you're going to do, if you are across, you will see the let me play this short. Let's see if I'm across or not. Okay, now you can see there is a slight right hand side, unintentional right hand side. It can either be unintentional right hand side, or maybe my aiming was not good. So you will have to keep practicing the same shot again and again until unless you start hitting it in the center, going in the shot correctly, and your cue pushes your shot through your white ball and it comes back off the cushion and touches your cue tip. That's it. That's a good shot. Now you can see you keep doing it again and again, as I'm saying that counting doesn't matter. You can do it 50 times, 100 times, 500 times, unless you are correct, you are accurate. Keep doing it. Okay, now the ultimate test comes in. What you are going to do is place your white ball on the line of aim, on the ball line, which is of course is also a line of aim. Okay, so what you're going to do is, the ultimate test now is place a white ball on the ball line and put two reds on the either side of the white ball, and it should be aligned from the top cushion to the bottom. It should be one plant sort of thing, and make say half a centimeter or less than that, or a quarter of a centimeter gap between the two reds, and you will have to hit your white ball again. And let's see if your cue is in the center and you are hitting it correctly and it comes back and hit your tip in the straight line or not. I know this is sounds a bit tricky, but this is a shot that you need to play, and you do it like 10 times, 50 times. That will actually give you the follow through effect as well. So once you are done with it, now the most important practice is coming up, or a target to be achieved is, again place the ball same way, and this time what you are going to do is, once you are all set up, try to play a shot, but but now what you're going to do is, once you hit the shot, you will okay, now let me just play this shot and then I'll show you what I mean. Hit the shot and remove your cue and see if your white ball is coming off straight line through these two reds. Trust me, it's not easy. You will be surprised at how many tries it will take you to accomplish this, but if you do it, share it with me and keep doing it, and try to adopt this habit and place these reds across, and it is going to keep your or take your practice routine or hitting or aiming to the next level. Trust me, all your unintentional side will be automatically removed. So this is our video number 1, and video number 2 is going to be more tough than this. And if you have any questions, you can contact me. Download my AQ Snooker Coaching Mentor application that is available on Google Play Store. It's a free download, and there are many free features in that application. Try it. If you want to invite me to your city, to your country, for your association, for your club, I do travel. Please make sure that you contact me on the numbers mentioned below, or you follow me on my TikTok, my Facebook and Instagram. Please leave your comments and keep sharing my videos, and check playlist of AQ Snooker English language videos to get more English language videos. Thank you very much guys, and see you in next video. Take care. Bye.